have on my hands at the moment is some rapeseed oil, get that cowrie oil in there, and some angelica oil. So angelica is very good for energy. So what I'm going to do is put some on my shoulders. This Raindrop Therapy is used for balancing the whole body, including the energy field. What we need to do is just connect in my energy field, your energy field. Top, and then we swap the energy field. Right, Nikki, comfortable?
Yeah, that's fine.
Right, so what we do, we're going to start off with the feet. Raindrop Therapy deals with the spine reflexes along the foot. So that's all the way up the inside, from the heel to your toe. Raindrop Therapy was started by Dr. Young in the 80s. He discovered that essential oils are very good for dealing with energy levels and for balancing and healing in the body. What he wants to do is affect your nervous system. So to do that, we first start with the feet and the spine reflex and use a little move called Vitaflex. So Vitaflex is going to literally stimulate all those spine reflexes up the feet and help the spine to relax. And because it's energy healing, we keep contact with the client at all times, so they don't feel as if you've just disappeared. First oil we use, oregano. This is quite a warming oil, so a lot of clients kind of feel a little bit of heat from this one. Dr. Young liked to do things in threes. So each oil is 3 drops, and then Vitaflex is 3 times. This one is thyme. All the oils used in Raindrop Therapy are designed to relax the muscles, to stimulate them, to warm them up. Which is why this therapy is very good for people with fibromyalgia, because it warms the body up, warms those muscles. Which, when you have it, muscles tend to be very, very stiff and achy. Right, basil. Wintergreen. The wintergreen is a fantastic oil for those who've got problems with their muscles, aches and pains. When you smell it, It's very much like deep heat. It's the same kind of active ingredient. First goes on next. In America, they tend to use the essential oils neat on skin. Here in the UK, we don't. We tend to use them in a cami oil first and then put it on your skin, because we don't know what the client is allergic to. So we don't put things neat on the skin. We always make sure they're in the cami oil first. Peppermint, which is very good for Nikki at the moment with her cold. And the first oil and the last oil are a blend of secret ingredient. So those ones I can't tell you. Tend to give the feet a quick massage once all the oil's been put on as well, just to loosen everything up a little bit more. Your feet work really hard all day without you even noticing it. So a lot of problems that you have in your body tend to come from problems with your feet. It's so important to look after these feet. Off the energy, get rid of anything we don't want, and we're going to cover that one up so it doesn't go cold. Then we're going to start exactly the same on the other foot. Right, so once we've done the client's feet and we've dealt with the spine reflexes on the feet, we now want to deal with the actual spine. This is where Raindrop Therapy gets its name from. All we do is place drops along the spine. This is because what they discovered was by dropping the oil onto the spine, it goes through your energy fields first and starts acting on your energy fields before it starts acting on the body. This move is called feathering, and what it is, it's literally stimulating the spine. We use exactly the same oils as we used on the feet, and they all go along your spine. Go in exactly the same order. What we start to do is we're going to start those muscles to relax and move away from the spine. So again, Dr. Young liked his things in threes. I can understand that. Rule of three. So everything goes in threes, and he seems to think that this is what works. And actually it does. When raindrop therapy is performed correctly, it helps to align the spine, helps to balance out the nervous system, helps to balance out hormones. And actually, there have been cases where you've had clients with one leg slightly shorter than the other, and after a few raindrop therapy sessions, they've actually ended up with the same length legs, because it aligns that spine, it helps it all to relax. Done one side, so we do the other side. To be very careful with Nikki's back, because she does suffer from fibro. Certain areas of her back cause her a lot of pain if you're not treated carefully enough. Again, as normal massage therapies, keep contact with the client at all times. We're not overloading the body with a load of oil. We're giving it just enough to do what it needs to do. So the client doesn't come away feeling completely full of oil. Loosening those muscles by the spine. Just helps with freedom of movement a little bit as well. The coloured light on. This colour plays a very important part in healing. It also goes along with the chakras, so it's helping to balance the chakras at the same time. One side of the spine, we do down the other. It's all about balance. Raindrop therapy isn't an invasive therapy. We don't use a lot of hard strokes, we don't get into the muscles, we don't need to. We let the oils do everything that they need to do. We just help them in. So a lot of the movements are about relaxing, getting the client to relax down fully. Usually by now, if a client is extremely chatty, they've quieted. Raindrop Therapy uses so many other different therapies. So we're using aromatherapy, we're using reflexology, we're using Reiki, we're using massage. So it's not just the one therapy. So anybody who performs Raindrop Therapy needs to be qualified and insured in all four things. It's not about basic massage either. It's more to do with energy and aromatherapy. But the oils do smell fantastic. So Nikki will be smelling like this for about a week. Right, with our last oil, put it all over the back. Again, drops, not a huge amount. And then we just put the last tiny bit of massage. Again, not invasive, not getting in there. So again, it's about relaxating. I can feel that. Right, I'm going to go and get you some water and wash my hands.